Want to make flexible wax sheets for your handmade candles in just 3 minutes? Stick around because I'm going to share all the tips and tricks to create these amazing sheets that make your candle designs truly stand out. Hi everyone, and welcome to another creative tutorial on my channel. Today I'll guide you through making thin, flexible wax sheets, perfect for crafting stunning handmade candles. Here's what you'll need: beeswax, paraffin wax, candle dye, I'll use light green today, a heat-proof container for melting. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a creative tutorial like this. Let's jump right in. Let's start by melting the wax. For this tutorial, I'll use 20 grams of beeswax, 10 grams of paraffin wax. Place them in a heat-proof container and let them melt over low heat. Make sure to stir gently to mix the two waxes evenly. Once the wax is fully melted, add your candle dye. Today, I'm using a beautiful light green color to keep it fresh and elegant. You can use any color you prefer. Now let the wax cool for about 3 minutes to lower its temperature. This helps prevent the wax from sticking too much to the silicone mat. Next, take a spoon and gently pour the wax onto a silicone mat in a circular shape. Use the back of the spoon to spread the wax evenly, making it as thin as possible. Don't rush. This step ensures your sheets are smooth and flexible. Allow the wax to cool completely on the mat. Once it's fully hardened, carefully peel the sheet off the silicone surface. Look how flexible and thin these wax sheets are. They're perfect for making flowers, intricate designs, or even adding texture to your candles. The possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support inspires me to create more exciting content like this. Let me know in the comments what candle making techniques you'd like to see next. And don't forget to share your creations with me. I'd love to see what you make. See you in the next video. Bye!